Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you want to see how I achieve this 4x4 closure wig from start to finish, it's extremely detailed. Just keep on watching. But before, check out these curls. These curls are the bomb.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 Top of them.
So let's start, guys. I'm going to show you the whole circumference of the canvas head. And if you want to know where is the back portion of the head is where the number is, or where the bulk is. That's the base of your head. So that's how I used to judge it, and I normally place it based on the size of my customer. My customer, she is 21 and a half, and this canvas head is 22. So you're gonna see that I'm gonna do a little adjustment in the video, but just keep on watching. So those bundles are from my hair company, Dream Bundles, on Instagram and Facebook, so you could go over there and check it out. It's our deep wave, and I went ahead and I colored it for my customer. This is the color she requests. So I'm gonna start placing the closure on the wig cap so I can start sewing, but I think it's best for you to watch what I'm doing because it's hard to explain. Where the hairlines start on the closure, that's exactly where I put my placement, so I can have an extremely flat closure, especially when my customer have it installed. So the sewing method that I use is the under over, and this way the knot is already made. So right at the base where you see the dome cap being bundled up, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fix that. Sorry, I couldn't find the clip for that, but I went in and I used the needle and thread and I sew one side of the dome cap together, so this way it can fit my customer snug, because this canvas head is 22 and her head size is 21 and a half. So bear that in mind. You can fix things, and it's an easy fix, so don't get frustrated whenever you see that your cap is being bundled up or it's not flat on the canvas head or anything like that. Check out the sewing of the closure. So it's not bulky, it's extremely flat, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. My customer won't say, oh, my thread is getting loose. No. So now it's time for the blueprint. The blueprint is very, very important. So what I do, I just go ahead and I create some lines, and I'm going to use those lines for my guideline. So after the blueprint is what y'all been waiting for, the sewing part. So then I go in and I double my weft, and I'm gonna use a 3 or 4 doubling method to double the stitch. I don't know if that make any sense. Double the stitch, this way we can do the under over method and we can start our stitching. So look at the neatness of the stitching, and look at how I go under and I do over, under, over, and the knot is already made, under, over. But as soon as we get to the end of it, we do a double or a triple stitch, and then we fold over the weft. We're not cutting yet, and then we're gonna go all the way to the top before we start cutting. But look at how neat the stitch is. So check out the stitching, very neat. It's not going anywhere. It's extremely tight. When you brush, when you comb, it's going to be sitting in place. But the most important thing to remember is whenever you reach at the end of the wig, where the elastic band is, you don't go exactly through the elastic band. You just do on the base of the elastic band, because if you go through, then the wig is going to be too tight, and we don't want that. But if you want to share our experience, and if you want to have a neat wig, you could just jump over my Instagram and shop with us. So right between the last weft and the closure, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm not sure if you're seeing it in the video, but that's very important. One, if you want to replace the closure, that's easy for your customer to do. And two, it gives the wig a more natural look, and that's what we're going for. So this is the finished look of my 4x4 closure wig, and I did color the hair as I said. I'm gonna go in and style the hair and I'll be right back. So now I'm back, and this hair has absolutely no product. I just put a little mousse on the front to create the baby hair, and no product, no oil, no mousse, no water. That's just the natural curls, and I'm loving it like that. So this is the ending result after I went in and I took off my silk head wrap. If you want to purchase one of those, you could run over my Instagram and send me a DM. The information is going to be in the description bar below. But first, check out these curls. The only thing I did, I went in with a little bit of water and I sprayed the hair, and then I let it hair dry, and this is the ending result. Let me know what did you like about the video. Let me know which video you want to see next. I'm here for you. We're here to grow. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just loving this look. I love everything about this hair, and see you in my next one. Bye.